So hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about cell theory. So normally what is this cell theory deals about? It deals about the organisms and normally a cell is a basic unit and structure function of a living organism, and all living organism will be composed of two or more cells. For example, I can just go through this diagram how we have cells. Listen here. So normally, one or two cells forms a tissue, and a tissue, n number of tissues forms an organ, and n number of organs form an organ system. So the organ system form a organisms, that is living beings. So from the living, how we can just come back. We have an organism. In an organism, we have a organ system. In an organ system, we have a number of organs, and in the organism organs we have tissues, and in the tissues we have cells. So this is what is cell, and where the cell is present in our body. So a cell is a basic structure and function of life, functional unit of life, and the cell is present in all living organism. It can be plants, it can be animals, it can be human bodies. Every living organism has its own cell. So this is the cell. We'll just, for example, actually in 1938, Matthews Ladian, he proposed it. And cell theory, what we're understanding today is of all living organisms are composed of cells and product of cells, and all cells are raised from the pre-existing cells. So and here we can see the different shapes of cells. So here we have red blood cells. It's of round and concave, and we have white blood cells. It's of the shape and column epithelial cells. It's like long and narrow, and we have nerve cells. It's of like a branched and long one, and we have tracheate. It's an elongated one, and mesophyll cells. It's a round and oval one. Okay, and the cells, we have two types of cells. One is prokaryotic and another one is eukaryotic cell. So the prokaryotic cell, it does not have any nucleus in it, so that's the reason we are calling it as prokaryotic cell. And this is how we'll just see the structure of a prokaryotic cell. We don't have nucleus in it, right? So you can just go through the structure, and we have a capsule in the outer layer. So this is the outer layer. We have capsule in the outer layer, and we have cell wall. The cell wall is used to protect from the external environment. Okay. And we have plasma membrane in it, and we have cytoplasm. Okay. The cytoplasm is mostly used for, it's a jelly-like structure in the prokaryotic cell. And we have flagella. This flagella is used for the locomotion, used for moving in a liquid body. Okay, that is flagella. And we have fimbriae, and this fimbriae is also called as pili, we call it like that. And we have ribosomes in the structure, and we have chromosomal DNA. Okay, we have chromosomal DNA. Normally we don't have nucleus in the prokaryotic cell. We have a chromosomal DNA and plasmid DNA. Okay, we have chromosomal DNA and plasmid DNA. Next, so these are the explanation for each plant. And here we have a eukaryotic cell. So in eukaryotic cell, we have same. Actually, the thing here is, in prokaryotic cell, we don't have any nucleus, but in eukaryotic cell, we have a nucleus. Okay, so it's of the nucleus, the important thing, right? Here, the nucleus. Here we have nuclear envelope, and chromatin, that is DNA here, nucleoplasm, the liquid inside the nuclear envelope, and this is nucleolus. Okay. First, inside the nucleus, we have first the outer body of nucleus is nuclear envelope. We have chromatin, that's structure inside the nucleus, and we have nucleoplasm and nucleolus. So this composed of a nucleus here. Okay. So next is a cell membrane, the outer body. Okay. And next we have ribosome here, cytoplasm. Same, we have cytoplasm here as well, in eukaryotic as well. And we have microtubule, we have lysosome, microfilament, and endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, the endoplasmic reticulum is of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And here we have peroxisome and mitochondria, vacuolum. Okay, yeah, these are the parts in the eukaryotic cells. So this and what is the purpose of cell lysosomes here? Is it contain digestive enzymes to break down waste and cellular debris here. So that's all with the eukaryotic, prokaryotic, and eukaryotic cell and the cell theory. Thank you.